Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to be revealing my entire Robinhood portfolio. I have around 61 different stocks in there that have generated me around $10,000 in profit so far this year. My account size is around $70,000. So I'm going to be revealing my entire portfolio to you guys. You guys have been asking for it, so today is the day I give it to you. But before we dive into this video, I would like to thank today's sponsor, Robinhood. Somehow we've been told that investing is for the chosen few, the hyper-educated, the already wealthy, and the wildly successful. But here's the truth. Investing is for everyone. You've probably been hearing a lot about the stock market lately, and it's pretty obvious that something big is happening. Millions of people are beginning to invest for the first time ever. And we're realizing that the financial system should be built to work for us. And that's why Robinhood is creating real human education resources, truly digestible financial news, and a platform that allows you to invest in your own way on your own terms. I think we all can agree that investing into crypto can be a little bit scary. Why does the price fluctuate consistently? How do I start? Is it possible to time the market? These endless questions fuel my fear of missing out. So why not use a platform that lets you invest into crypto and build wealth in a way that can help ease some of these fears? One of these methods is called DCA, or dollar cost averaging. Robinhood now allows you to set up recurring investments on cryptocurrency. With dollar cost averaging, you can spread your crypto purchases over regular intervals in equal amounts to potentially reduce the risk of volatile prices. Now, DCA is not a new strategy. It's a popular method of building wealth. Dollar cost averaging allows you to be hands off with your portfolio, leaving you with more time to do the things that really matter to you. When it comes to taking your first step in crypto, it allows you to have full control over your investment, allowing you to build wealth slowly but for surely over time. Even if you're just starting with $1. Even with just $1, you can set up a recurring investment for every day, every week, bi-weekly, or once a month, investing on the 25th of every month. Once you have set up your recurring investment, you won't need to have to worry about timing the market. You could just set it and forget it. Now, how easy is that? Right now, you can get started with Robinhood by clicking the link down in the description, and new users will receive a free stock just for signing up. Once again, I would like to thank today's sponsors, Robinhood. Don't forget to click that link down in the description. Now, enough talking. Let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are inside of my Robinhood account. It is at $70,055.62. Now, I'm going to be revealing all 61 stocks to you in this video. So make sure that you stick throughout the entire video so you don't miss out on what it's generating. Even though the market has been pulling back lately over the last year, I'm still up 15.24%. So I'm going to show you what stocks I'm investing into to be up almost $10,000 before the year's even over with, guys. Hopefully I'm going to try to get around 17% profit this year. So if you want to see what stocks I'm buying and selling, make sure that you subscribe to my Patreon. That would be down in the comment section. I post every time I buy and sell stocks inside of the Discord. So let's go ahead and get started. And of course, here go all of my option plays right here: AMC, AMD, and ChargePoint. But let's go ahead. And the very first stock, we're just going to run through them, is 61. I'm going to say how many shares I have and why I'm investing into these companies. The first one is AMZN, that is Amazon. I'm going to click on Amazon and show you guys. I am up 84% on Amazon. I only own one share. I should have picked up more shares when it fell back. When I did pick it up, I got one share of Google, 2 shares of Clorox. Now, Clorox owns a bunch of different other products, more than just bleach and cleaning supplies. Clorox owns a whole bunch. I did a whole video over them. So if you missed that one, you might want to check it out. AMD, I am up a whole bunch on AMD. I hold 100 shares of AMD, which allows me to run the wheel on AMD in my option strategies. So I've been doing that for a while now. Tesla, I got 19.8 shares of Tesla. I am up super big on Tesla. In fact, let's see. In fact, on Tesla, let's go ahead and change this over to total return. There we go. So as you guys can see, Amazon, Google, Clorox, AMD, Tesla, my total return on Tesla, I'm up around $5,000 on Tesla, 19 shares. Netflix, I'm working, well, Tesla, I'm working on getting 100 shares of Tesla over the course of the next 2 years. Netflix is gonna be the next stock I heavily invest on. I'm up $500 on Netflix. Apple, I have 17 shares, looking to get 100 shares of Apple. I'm up $300. Procter & Gamble, just recently bought this company. I told you guys why in one of these other videos. I'm up $60. Facebook, up $164. 5 shares of Disney. I bought them last year, which was an amazing buy. Coin, bought them at the IPO price, which was a disaster. But I'm gonna show you guys how I plan on making a whole bunch of money from Coinbase in the very near future. The next one is 3M. I'm up $20. Now, some of these companies have been paying me out dividends for a while now. Like 3M, I'm up way more than $20 because they have been paying me out dividends. So right here, it's just showing me the profit of the stock price going up. I own 3 shares, but I own 2 shares of 3M. 3M makes the mask, duct tape, pretty much every product that ever existed, 3M has a hand in. Johnson & Johnson, own 1 share of that, up $20. The next one is Waste Management. Waste Management, I should have invested heavily on. I kept talking about it, but I didn't continue to keep buying shares. I just reinvest my dividends right back into Waste Management. That's why I'm at 4.67 shares. I'm up $174. The next one is Ford, 21 shares. I'm up $81. Now, Ford was pulling back for a couple of years, and then I finally bought in at the bottom, and Ford went up, so I'm up $81. AT&T, ticker symbol T, I'm down $95, but I was buying at the high. Right now, AT&T might be at a price that I'm willing to pick up some more shares to drop my dollar cost average down in order for me to get back into profit. But I am receiving dividends from AT&T every single quarter, so that does help me out. PEP, Pepsico, I'm up $21. Pepsico is a dividend aristocrat. Love investing into them. Coca-Cola, they're a dividend king. Absolutely love investing into them. I have 6 shares, up $11. They pay me out dividends every single quarter. SPHD, they pay me out dividends every single month. I own 30 shares. This is a high dividend, low volatile ETF, so they pay me out dividends every single month. AGNC, that is a real estate REIT. Real estate REITs usually have higher dividends. I'm up $180, but they do have a high dividend yield of 8.99% that pays out every single month. So AGNC has been treating me well. SPYD, another dividend ETF, I'm up $24, pays me out every single month. PEY, 105 shares, up $392, pays me out every quarter, I think. No, SPYD pays me out every quarter. I think PEY pays me out. In fact, let's just take a quick look. PEY pays me out every single month. It does. So I earn around $6 to $7 every single month from PEY in dividends, and then I reinvest that right back into the company. NRZ, I am down $183, but as you guys can see, they've been paying me out $40 worth of dividends every quarter, $38 last quarter. So the next quarter that's coming up, even though it shows that I'm down $183, I think I'm up in dividends. So I just reinvest that right back into NRZ. That is also a real estate REIT. O, ticker symbol O, that is another real estate REIT. This is known as the monthly dividend stock. I own 10 shares. I'm up $36. VOO is an ETF that tracks the market, guys. I'm up $142. That is a very safe stock to invest into. I'm gonna let you guys know what's a safe stock and what's not a safe stock to invest into. VOO is a pretty safe ETF to invest into. XOM, which is ExxonMobil, I'm down $11, waiting for the oil industry to rebound at one point of time, sooner or later. IIPR is crushing it for me. I only own 1.56 shares of it. I'm up $218. About up 146%. I should have bought. I talked about it, but at the time I was talking about it, I did not have much money in my account in order to invest into this company, and the price was super high. But man, it just keeps going up. It's an amazing company. If you missed the video I made over there, I highly suggest that you guys subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on these great information I've been giving you guys. WTRG, 5 shares. I think when they changed that ticker symbol name, this is a utility stock dealing with water, and it doesn't show my total return because it shows that I got these 5 shares for free. WMT, Walmart, 6.6 shares, up $145. Microsoft, almost a full share, up $73. Nvidia, up $153. Delta Airlines, 6 shares, up $75. LUV, Southwest Airlines, up $63. Delta Airlines, 6 shares. Southwest Airlines, 4.5 shares. ACB, which is a cannabis company. Can I say that on YouTube? 1 share, up $6.66. PSEC is a real estate REIT, 11 shares, pays out a high dividend as well. Monthly dividend stock up $74. GPS, Gap, should have bought a whole bunch more when Kanye was coming out with his product line with them. I'm up 73%. I told you guys I should have heavily invested into them. I don't know why I don't listen to myself. I knew it was gonna go up when he started to drop his products. But yeah, I'm up 73% on Gap. On Workhorse, looking of getting rid of them out of my portfolio, down $300. I could take the money I have invested into them and invest it somewhere else. GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, up. I have 114 shares, up $275. Talked about that heavily at the beginning of the year. Rocket, 5 shares, down $6.80, so almost break even. MRNA, Marana, up. As you guys can know what's going on in the world, I'm up 411%. Yeah. When I should have bought so many more shares of this, knowing that I should have known the way that the world was going at the time. I should have bought more shares of this. I got in at $88 and it's all the way up to $449. I missed out on that opportunity right there. NTES, they had a stock split last year. Of 1 to 5 stock split, I am down $20, but they pay out a decent dividend. They did pay me out a decent dividend not too long ago. Yeah, they paid me out a dividend in June of $1.51, 56 cents. So that's that. Neo 10 shares down $72. That is an electric car company. Airbnb up $39. I'm looking to start purchase an Airbnb of my own. A fixer-upper, get the house fixed up and start Airbnb-ing it out. So stay tuned for that. ChargePoint, CHPT, down $971. I was up so much on ChargePoint that I did sell a couple of shares at the top, took some profit, and then it pulled all the way back. So now that the price is down again, I might take the profit that I made from that, invest it right back into ChargePoint and get around 175-ish shares, 175 shares to bring down my dollar cost average. ChargePoint is an electric vehicle company. Check out the video I made over ChargePoint not too long ago. WDFC, which is WD-40. I told you guys why I invested into them as well. During the quarantine, all bikes were sold out across America, and you need that WD-40 to get the bike chains lubricated. In fact, over the last year, they shot up all the way from $195 to $231. I just got in around this point right here-ish. It shot up and then it started to pull back. Beam, that is another electric vehicle charging station type company. Fuse is a SPAC. I bought a couple of shares of them thinking they was gonna merge with this other company, but they did not merge with them. So we're still waiting to see who Fuse is gonna merge with. Hopefully they'll announce something soon. If not, I'm gonna get rid of Fuse. Roblox, 3 shares, up 48%. That is what the video game company. Hero, another video game company, down $5.60. I own 8 shares of that. FST, 100 shares of that, down $34. That is a SPAC that is merging with all of, they're merging with all the Tillman Fertitta's fast food restaurant chains down here in Houston, and also the Golden Nugget Casino. Not the online part, but the Golden Nugget Casino. Muds, down $200. They are another SPAC that is going to merge with, Topps. Topps just came out with all of their NFT baseball cards that could be very huge in the future. We're gonna see. Sherwin-Williams, I'm already up $15. I told you guys why I bought Sherwin-Williams. All the houses across America are sold out. You pretty much got to get a house built if you want a house, and I bought at a pretty high price, but I'm already up 5% in just 2 months, guys. That's an amazing return right there. Remember, a great return is being up 6 or 7% in a given year. I'm already up 5.4% in just, 2 months. AMC, you guys know what's going on with AMC. 1 share up $17. HIMS, down $74. That needs to recover. That is like prescription for your medicine through the mail. TLRY up $174. AvePoint, they're down $800. They should be merging with one of the Microsoft companies that deals with all of their storage for Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Teams. That could be very big in the future. So while the price is down, I might be loading up on more. I really believe in that. Robinhood, up $66.99. I own 21 shares of Robinhood. LCID, 5 shares. Wish, we're running the wheel on Wish right now, down $217. ARKK, which is an active ETF, and SPY, which is a passive ETF, and then everything else down below is pretty much free stocks. So that is my 61 stocks that I have inside my portfolio. So I own utility companies, technology companies, ETFs, REITs, and dividend stocks, all inside of this portfolio that has pretty much generated me around $10,000 worth of profit this year alone, and the year is not over yet. So we're gonna see how this year ends. If you wanna keep up with every time I buy and sell stocks, that is gonna be linked down in the comment section to my Patreon. And if you guys wanna sign up for Robinhood to get your investment journey started today, that link will be down in the description. Sign up and get a free share of Robinhood just from signing up if you're a new user. And there we go, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, how many stocks do you own inside of your portfolio? Do you only own 5? Do you got $100,000 invested into just 5 companies? Or do you have your money spread out across hundreds of different companies? Let me know down in the comment section. Let me know if I should get rid of any of these companies that's inside my portfolio. And let me know if I should double down on some of these companies that's inside my portfolio that's not performing so well. And if you know of any big moves that these companies just made that could boost these companies in the very near future, let me know all of that information down in the comment section so we can all grow our portfolio at the same time. But don't forget to pick up your free share of Robinhood by signing up. Start your crypto investing journey with recurring investments. You can set it once, you can forget it. It's called dollar cost averaging. Look it up. People has been very successful using that strategy in the past. But that's all I got for you guys today. I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.